Hi, I'm Jackie of Junk Gal 63 Studio. In my studio, I turn scrap fabric into beautiful things with purpose and heart. Today, I'm reviewing something brand new that was sent to me from the folks at the Fabric Hut. It is this Famoré 45mm Rotary Blade Handle. Isn't that packaging beautiful? Let's open this together. Inside, we've got one 45mm rotary blade handle, and it does come with one 45mm rotary blade. Look how beautiful. I love the colors. Before we start cutting and testing this, I do want to show you how easy it is to change the blade. Just loosen the screw here, and I love that it has these indentations so you can hold on to that. And just unscrew it. It's super easy. And I'm just taking my time here to be safe. Just like that. And that comes off the back. And while I could use the blade that came with it, I'm switching mine out for my favorite blade from the Fabric Hut. The 45mm titanium coated rotary cutter blade. They last so long and they stay sharp even after cutting through denim, quilting cotton, and lots of layers like I do here in the studio. So we'll take one of our blades from this pack. We will remove this blade, put that to the side. We'll take our Fabric Hut blade and just lay it on there. We're going to take the top and put that on there, and you can just screw them back together. It is that simple. You just want it snug. Just like that. We are ready to cut. Now let's talk about what makes this rotary cutter so special. The Famoré 45mm features a game-changing screw and nut system. So you saw how easy it was to change out that blade. It has precision ball bearings that virtually eliminate friction. What that means is a smoother rotation, less effort, and way less hand fatigue, even if you're cutting for hours. And this feels so nice in my hand. So nice. The ergonomic grip gives you great control, and then the smooth rotation mechanism makes every cut clean and precise. If you've ever struggled with wrist pain or tired hands, this design feels like a breath of fresh air. All right, let's start with some quilting cotton. I use a lot of this in my studio. And here we've got, looks like that's 4, 5, 6. This is kind of crunched up. So there's 4, 5, and 6. Oh, let's just throw this on. We'll see what happens. And then to get your blade exposed, you just push the button down. Here we go. Oh my, that is so nice. You can actually feel the ball bearings doing their job. There's no drag, no tugging, just one clean pass. Look at that. All right, let's try a strip with some polyester batting, because I do have to do this quite a bit, and I'm going to put 2 layers of polyester batting in here. Oh, no effort at all. And it feels so nice on my hands. And look how clean that cuts. Just nice, clean cuts. All right, so we got that. Let's try. I cut a lot of denim. So we've got a couple pieces of denim here. This one has a seam, so that might be pushing it. All right. No problem at all. And this is 1, 2, 3 layers of denim. The one piece of denim had a seam in it. And then we'll try one more thing here. That is a piece of denim with the batting, because this is something that I would normally cut in the studio. And there's 2 pieces of the polyester batting and then 2 layers of the denim. Oh my. This cuts just, there is no effort. I just love this. All right, so that was our denim. Let's try 4 layers of polyester batting. No problem at all. Imagine what it will do with my cotton batting. So what do I think of the Famoré 45mm rotary blade handle? It is a beautifully engineered cutter that just feels comfortable. It feels balanced. This ball bearing system gives such a smooth rotation. You honestly have to try it to know what I'm talking about. It is so smooth. And when paired with the titanium coated blades from the Fabric Cut, it's a total dream team. If you're looking for a high quality rotary cutter that turns fabric cutting from a chore to a creative joy, this is it. A big thank you to the Fabric Cut for sending me this beautiful tool to review. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. And I think you will. And until the next video, God bless you.